And so for our dîner arrêt, or final stop, we're getting one last piece of Paris cuisine at the 107. The 107 specializes in delicious burgers, fish, and tacos, sometimes all at the same time, because they're not afraid to spin the menu in very tasty directions. Example number 1 is right in front of me. Fried okra tacos. All right, John, tell me about these right here.
Okra tacos.
Okra tacos.
Yeah. It's the sauce. I tell everybody all the time, there is a vinaigrette dressing on there that really sets it off. It's a little sweet, little peppery, yep.
Gosh, so good. It's the vinaigrette, the bacon.
Yeah, it is.
The fresh onions.
Yeah.
Woo, that's working. And, you know, one of the best parts about it, it's a vegetable.
They may be deep fried, but...
You know, they're vegetables. That's all we need to know. Owner John Bratcher grew up in Paris and bought this place from a fellow firefighter and friend who jumped at the chance to turn an old burned-out building into something very cool. So y'all started with just an empty shell?
Empty shell. It was a burnout eyesore, a sore spot downtown, you know.
Yeah.
And a good friend of mine said, hey, let's put a beer garden in here, serve some food, and let's see what we can do. So it was completely open. With the facade and walls intact, all they needed was a few cantina lights and, well, a kitchen to transform this spot into an indoor-outdoor destination. Now, John has since installed a see-through roof for those times when it's raining or, well, 105 degrees in Texas. Kind of played with it. We had an idea of putting more of a patio feel to it. Feel like you're outdoor, but it's comfortable. Yeah, it is. Still. Yeah. And nighttime and daytime are different, right? So daytime you get the sunlight, nighttime you get all the little lights up. It's a vibe. It's got its own vibe in it. It's a vibe. That's the way to say it. It's a vibe. Yeah. And what downtown doesn't have a couple burnout shells of buildings just begging to become beer gardens? Well, here's 107 points of inspiration. But you will need great food. So let's mosey into the back and see how they do it.
I got sliders, 2 pesos, and a flatbread. Set me up for a blackened fish taco, please. Kid burger and grilled chicken tacos. Are y'all ready for this fish? Yes, ma'am. Heard.
Whoa, it's less of a mosey and a bit more vamonosy. That looked delicious. I saw a lot of jalapenos on that one, and that makes me very excited. This speedster is Heather, also known as Red. All right, Red, we got a clean griddle.
Yeah,
I'm
you
a
ready?
little hungry. What you making me?
We're gonna do a blackened fish taco and a chipotle chicken taco.
Oh my God. Okay, let's go.
So this is my chicken, I'm finna blacken it.
Okay, y'all like blackened seasoning.
You will too.
Okay. All right, so what kind of fish are we working with?
I'm finna blacken that fish. You said it, we like blackening.
We do, yeah, I know.
So that's what I'm finna do, I'm gonna blacken
I'm from Southeast Texas, I blacken anything. I've even been known to blacken my morning coffee on occasion. But they've also got less conventional ways of spicing things up. Wait, what did she put on this?
So that is pepper jack cheese that we have tossed in Tabasco.
Ooh!
We call it Tabasco Jack.
I've never seen that in my life.
Got a little kick to it.
I like that a lot. It's a kitchen of tight camaraderie, keeping the food quick, creative, and delicious. Did you know the French word for taco is taco? And I've got trois taco of my very own. We got chipotle chicken, grilled chicken, blackened fish. I'm most excited about this one, a little new menu item. It's got diced pickles and banana peppers on top. Wait, what? I've never had that on a taco, so. Pickles on a taco kind of works, y'all. Ooh. And the spice coming from the Tabasco soaked cheese. Like, that's pretty legit, y'all. Moving down the line, I'm gonna try another taco. All right, that's good. I mean, y'all, I've been to Paris a few times, like the one in France. There are a few things that Paris, Texas does way better than Paris, France. These tacos are one of them. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.